welcome back to the Coffee Vanners. Well, today's vlog's a little bit different because I want to talk about insurance. Not just insurance for the caravan, but insurance for the car. Because I've had a bit of a surprise this morning. I got my letter through from my previous insurance company with a renewal quote. And I was quite surprised that it was over £100 more expensive than last year if I stayed with the same company. So I got myself online on all the comparison sites to try and find myself new insurance. Now when I got the caravan just a few weeks ago, I had a chat with Caravan Guard because I wanted to make sure that I'd got the right cover that I needed for the caravan. And the guys there were absolutely superb in ensuring that I had the right cover. But at the time they said, if you're having a tow bar fitted to your car, you need to contact your car insurance company to get the tow bar added as an additional extra on your policy. So I thought, I've got a factory fitted tow bar, so therefore it's not an additional extra to the car, and therefore I didn't actually bother. But we're now, 2 or 3 weeks later, and I've got this renewal through. So I've been online and I've done some search and comparisons, and I'm not the sort of person, I like to speak to people. So I got on the phone to have a chat with the insurance company to talk to them through the policy, make sure it had everything I wanted for the things that I do. And I was surprised to find out that even though I've got a factory fitted tow bar, I still need to add it as an additional extra to my policy, which is okay, fair enough. If that's what I need to do, that's what I need to do. But it was a real surprise. So I've added it as an extra, but they'd give me a price for the 12 months comprehensive insurance prior to this conversation over the tow bar. So when they then re-quoted me and said to me, oh, that's fine, we'll add it, and here's your new quote, I was actually surprised to find out the quote was cheaper. And it wasn't like pennies cheaper, we're talking like nearly £50 cheaper. So this brings me to think, do they consider people who tow caravans or tow trailers or have a tow bar fitted to their car to be a lower risk than somebody who doesn't? Maybe it's just the insurance company I'm with and the circumstances I've got and all the rest of it. But what I would say is definitely, if you're in the position where you're thinking, I don't need to tell my insurance company, which, may be a problem should you have an accident, but it may actually reduce your insurance premium, which was a real surprise to me. So that's basically the vlog for today. That it was a massive surprise to get in touch with an insurance company and find that I was getting something cheaper by adding something which I personally thought was going to be more expensive to the car. So that's a quick note on insurance. That's a quick vlog for today. Just a quick roundup of what's coming up. We're going away next Tuesday. We've booked a site not a million miles away from here for 3 nights. We'll be doing a review of that site, probably introducing Ali's grandson, because he's coming with us, which will be the first time he's been away in a touring caravan in his life, because he's only 3 years old. And that's going to be an interesting 3 days, because 2 of those days Ali's at work, so I've got the little one to keep occupied by myself, which is not something I've done in the past. But there we are. If you like the video, give us a like. Please subscribe by clicking the button below and the bell to keep notified of all our videos, and hopefully I'll catch you up with you in the next one. Take it easy.